The Mixed Reality Toolkit is a Microsoft-driven open source project that accelerates mixed reality app development. It provides developers with a wide array of spatial building blocks, components, and features. Think of things like buttons, sliders, panels, things that you'll be able to go in and touch in your mixed reality world. It also allows you to connect to Azure services, things like Azure Spatial Anchors or Azure Cognitive Services, so you can integrate them with your projects. Now, there's a toolkit for Unity, and it's cross-platform. That means you can build experiences for the HoloLens, the HoloLens 2, Windows mixed reality headsets. You can build for OpenVR headsets, Ultraleap hand tracking, and you can also build for mobile devices. There's also a toolkit for the Unreal Engine. This one is in an earlier stage of development, and it's being built as a set of independent plugins that can all work together. When it comes to building things with the Mixed Reality Toolkit, the only limitation is your imagination.